In this video, I'm doing the West Pine Trail into Duck and Run into Flat Lake. There's some smaller trails to get in and out as well. I won't bother naming them.
Oh, I'm getting a new bike. Right here. Oh, yep, here we go. Alright, we're doing the Upper West Pine Trail. Last time I did this, I did it wrong. I came from the other side to this side, so hopefully this time it'll be a little bit more fun. Last time it was hardly even enjoyable, to be honest. It was just dodging a bunch of rocks, pedaling hard uphill. I was like, is this what mountain biking's about? I still had a sweet time, but I think that this time's gonna be a bit more fun. And yeah, this is my first time doing the trail, so yeah, and I'm not that experienced in mountain biking, so hopefully I don't eat shit. And my bike's okay, but it's not great, so we'll see what happens. Oh, it's a little tight, real rooty, but I think we got it. Ooh. Oh, nice little bridge. There's almost no mountain biking here in Halifax. This is the only trail system, the Macintosh Run. And there's only one other in all of Nova Scotia, in Berwick. Oh, I'm already tired. But here we go. Ooh, almost went over the handlebars there. I think I hear some people ahead. It's not good. Because it's not just mountain biking, it's walking as well. And hello. How are you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Have a good ride.
Thank you. Oh, it's a double black diamond. Yeah, no chance. Sticking with this one. That one's called the Notch. Oh my god, I just went behind my seat there. Could have just lost my guys. At least I know I can bail. This is a blue trail, so it's labeled as more difficult than a green trail, so it should be pretty easy, but it doesn't seem that easy so far.
I grossly underestimated how much time it would take and grossly overestimated the quality of my bike. So it's a pretty painful video in some points, but overall I had a great time and I barely made it to work, but I made it.
So I actually don't have back brake or front brakes. One of the pads popped off, so I mean all I need is back, but still. Recently we had some crazy, oh my god, some crazy flooding and rain, so the trail's real eroded and not as good as it probably was or is supposed to be. So it's steeper falls, bigger bumps up, that sort of thing. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow. Oh, this is fun now. And so look off to the lake there. Not going to be stopping, so I got to work in a bit. Yeah, it's nice. This trail's only 15 minutes from Halifax, so maybe it would be pretty. Whew. Okay, I need a breather. Jesus. It's hot out. Frig man, what a beautiful spot. But yeah, I need some water. This is a hard one. Starting to sweat. It's also my first time biking with gloves. Got these sweet gloves, and I don't know if they're making a difference, but I sure hope they are. Caution high boardwalk. Good to know. Oh yeah, that's high indeed. Do not want to fall off there. I'd love to come biking with someone, so somehow you're in the Halifax area and you see this video and you want to go for a ride, you'll probably have to wait for me a lot, and you'll be teaching me things, but hey. Oh, they've added a new trail. It's dope. It's not even on maps yet. It's so sick. Gutter ball, it's called. It's an easy one. But honestly, with these rocks and roots, even the easy trails. What the f? Maybe this is why there's not too many trails in Nova Scotia. I guess I've also got a heavy bike. That can't be helping much. Oh, that breeze is nice. Oh, this is sweet though. Just being in nature, ripping around for these small little moments where the trail is pretty good. It's more than worth it. I was sick. Ooh. That was really sick. Yeah, I love it. Now we're talking. Oh yeah, this is so much better already. Getting out of the woods into the backlands. That's what it's all about. Oh yeah. It's like 10 times hotter than it is in the city. I guess because it's not right on the ocean, but it's close to being right on the ocean. Should be close enough if you ask me, but I didn't define the laws of the earth. So, what I think doesn't matter too much. All I'm allowed to do is think it. Started down here, came up to here. Now I'm gonna do a duck and run. Now I gotta get out. It's gonna take a while. But that was West Pine. That was fun. And there's just a lake over there that, actually let's go take a look at it while I'm here, eh? So last time I came here, I came with my dog Eddie. And we went for a swim right here. We can get in right down there on that rock, or I guess this one here. It's pretty sweet. Alright, this is duck and run. Here we go. I think maybe this one I've at least done a little bit this way, but not the whole thing. Oh, sweet river. Can't hit this too fast, I'm not that good. Yeah, let's go, baby. I'd love to learn how to take corners like that. almost 4 kilometers is pretty good for what I'm biking on, and I'm maybe halfway through the ride, probably not. I don't think I'm gonna have much time when I get home. It's almost 11. Gotta work at 1. Tomorrow I can just sleep in though. Rest this craziness off. This is so fun. Makes me so happy. Something about moving fast in the woods. I got this. There's a spot called Flat Lake on this trail. And fuck, man, I hope it's a flat lake. I really hope it's a flat lake. Oh, you. Sorry, excuse my language. I have nothing against her. I just went flying into the woods and sliced the shit out of my knee. Not sure if you guys can tell, but I am struggling a lot. I'm gonna have to call this mountain biking with someone who's doing a trail. It's way above both there and their bike's level. Oh, these rocks are sick. Oh, yep, here we go. Right off. I don't know if you can see my knee. It's okay. It just hurts, man. Wow. There's an eagle straight out of me. I think there's a couple eagles. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, we're coming up to a lake. That's nice. Oh, this is a good part of the trail. Kind of steep here, but I got it. Oh, here we go. That's my third fall into the woods. Yeah, you don't want to tumble off to the left there. Oh, gorgeous. I don't know if I've come this far before. Oh, what a view. Beautiful, man. I'm getting a new bike. It works, but excuse me, it only barely works. Wonder if I'll leave that nice burp in the video for you guys. I hope someone watches this. I love this is like my internal commentary getting put out into the world. Well, this has gone a lot better. I like this part the most so far. Oh yeah. Oh, well, I'd say that settles it. That settles the discussion of, am I gonna take it off? So I did a blue trail in Banff, and it was not nearly as hard as this one. I guess it's also like muscles. Like, I'm gonna build up the strength required to do this stuff by doing it more often. Oh, that was only a black diamond drop. I could have done that. Oh, mud to the face. Love the sound of biking through a little puddle. That was dope. Oh, goodbye, bike. Sorry, buddy. Wash off my cut too. I don't know who invented mountain biking, but shout out, man. Shit's dope. It's really cool. Oh, made it to Flat Lake Trail. Let's go. Always wear a helmet, kids. Don't mess around. It's not worth it.
I had to switch over to my phone because my GoPro died. And of course, this was also the coolest part of the trail, so I'm gonna have to come back and do this one specifically to get a video. It was pretty awesome.
Seems like I got a bike right through the water here. How sweet is that? Oh, right, no front tires. It's pretty dope. Be a nice spot for this one. It's the Flat Lake Loop, and we made it to Flat Lake. All right, we made it to the rest of the trails. We came from all the way down here, up along the pink, the orange, and then the blue. We made it. Now we just gotta get the heck out of here. You can see the shipping yard over there. You can see the whole city. I really thought that my hands would be fine if I wore gloves, but they still got absolutely mangled.